So I have my makeup on. Meron na tayong eyebrow, eyeshadow, lipstick. So wala na tayong foundation. And then gagamitin natin itong double wear foundation ng Estee Lauder. Stay in place and it has SPF 10. So guys, try natin siya. So it's 24-hour wear, 24 best foundation for long wear. And of course, 24-hour color true. So meaning, hindi mag-change yung color. So try nyo pa rin guys, syempre kung super acidic talaga kayo. But, promise nitong foundation ay 24-hour color true, 24-hour non-creasing, waterproof foundation, matte foundation. It's medium to buildable coverage, and it's control shine all day, sweat and humidity resistant, transfer resistant. Makikita naman yung difference with and without. So mas polish lang guys yung, so no setting on fine line, so hindi siya mag-decrease, and of course no pouring. Tuloy na natin guys. So lightweight nga siya guys, and hindi siya sticky. Application guys, depende sa inyo. Kung gusto nyo super skin lang siya talaga, pwedeng konting dot lang siya guys. Kasi usually ako ganun ginagawa ko. Ngayon lang ako ano guys, medium coverage. So medium ko lang yan guys. So pwede nyo build up into full coverage. So oil-free din siya guys, non-acnegenic, non-comedogenic, and dermatologist tested. Ang flawless! So I'm using Rattan guys, 2W2. And then usually guys, hindi na ako na set ng powder, or hindi ko na siya ina-applyan ng powder. Kasi gusto ko, kahit paano, makikita pa rin yung skin ko. But, up to you guys. Pwede nyo siya i-set ng powder. It can be a pressed powder, or it can be loose powder. Or kung super shiny kayo, on the T-zones guys, i-set mo siya. But, I prefer it this way, na wala siyang powder guys. So, since hindi siya oily, mag-apply na ako ng blush. Usually pag liquid siya, tapos ina-applyan mo ng powder, diba nag-crease siya, pero dito guys, hindi. Madali lang siyang i-blend. So, i-mute lang natin yung color para mas mukhang fresh for today's look. And here you go. So, kung makikita nyo, hindi siya talaga nag-crease, diba? Usually, pag liquid, and then, applyan mo siya ng powder, makikita mo may creasing, pero dito wala. So, yan na guys. And then, so let me apply the rest of my makeup.